On December 11, 2021, an EF4 tornado devastated the University of Kentucky Research and Education Center at Princeton. Decades of work, millions of dollars in equipment, and a lifeline for Kentucky's agriculture was reduced to rubble. Despite this loss, the very next day, the center's team began finding ways to move forward, continuing the research so many farmers rely on. 3 years later, the center has rebuilt stronger than ever. With 13 new buildings completed, including a centralized field research building, operations are now more streamlined and efficient, meeting the demands of modern agriculture. Weather-resistant equipment sheds now protect critical tools. Rebuilding isn't just about facility. The center has welcomed back farmers for field days, sharing the latest advancement in crop management and disease prevention. 3 years since the tornado, the center's commitment remains steadfast, supporting Kentucky farmers and advancing agricultural research. As it approaches its 100th anniversary in 2025, the center continues to drive innovation and impact lives across the Commonwealth through cutting-edge research and community partnerships.